Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Amazing Science Bros video, and today it is part 4 of the Cat Protector Sentry turret. And now Peter is going to tell us what we are going to do today.
We're going to hook up the Nerf gun to the Raspberry Pi, and and the Nerf gun is going to shoot the laser.
Cool.
And the Nerf bullets at the same time.
Amazing.
If there's a person in the cat.
Cool. So, as you can see, we've got the laser pointer, and we took it apart, and you can see it's got a battery connected to this USB charger, and then the wires that control the laser are right here. So what we want to do is hook these wires up to our Raspberry Pi computer. So to do that, we're going to use our soldering gun, and I'm going to melt the solder. You have to be really careful because this is hot.
Like and subscribe if you think this is going to work. I think it is.
Cool. Alright, so we got it apart. Now we've got the battery
And
the charger separate.
I just saw
We
smoke.
can put them back together when we're all done. So there's our 2 wires that we'll need to control the LED lights.
Oof.
They should be set.
Yeah.
Meow meow.
Yeah, what's up? Bye.
Good job, Lucas.
So I have the red wire off, and now for the black. Alright, so it's gonna be like that. If I can even keep it on. Alright, so,
That's probably enough, Lucas. You can let it go.
alright.
Should be good. Make sure it's on there tight.
Alright, so I just push them together, and
Are
we
they
have
gonna
the
come apart?
electrical tape. Alright, so we're gonna put these wires into here, and then we're gonna connect these wires to the computer to try to make the computer shoot the laser. Alright, let's do this. So this goes to the red. Oh God, it bent. It's broken.
Alright, so you can see from our program that we're telling it to set GPIO 23.
Yeah.
So we got to try to plug our laser into GPIO 23 for it to get controlled. And to do that, we got to look at our map here and make sure we know where GPIO pin 23 is, which I think is on the left row, and I think it's the 8th one. And we have to be careful because you can see some of these are 5-volt outputs.
What are 5-volt outputs?
And so,
Then you would get shocked,
Yeah,
and
we
like
don't
it would
wanna-
really hurt.
yeah, we don't want to cross those and have them go to the wrong ones. It could damage the computer.
It could?
Alright, let's see if this actually works. Alright.
Oh, that's sick.
Is it working?
Yeah, it hit.
Cool. Alright, so you guys are trying to,
That was
you were saying, Lucas, maybe we should turn the laser on for longer, right?
Yeah, like a minute, because our cat won't just chase it if it's on for like 3 seconds.
Yeah, so Peter, why don't you change the code so that it'll run the code in the computer on the Scratch 2 program.
Wait.
Why don't you run the code so that we can have it stay on longer? Yeah, which one would you wait? Hold on. Which one leaves the thing on longer? The bottom weight or the top weight?
this one.
Yeah, because why?
Because this one is wait 2 seconds to make it off.
After it's already turned
Yeah.
off, right? So how many seconds do you want to make it?
Like a minute, 60 seconds.
60 seconds? Okay.
Calendar, I think.
though. Peter, how do you type 60 seconds?
Delete.
Change it to 10 seconds. There you go. Alright, let's see if that works any better.
Okay.
Yeah, probably will.
Okay, Lucas, are you aiming it right at me?
I think
Right.
I am.
Peter, go ahead and run the program.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, it's on. Cool.
Alright, we clearly needed a snack again. And it's tasty.
Yum.
Yeah.
I like it.
I really like chicken.
I like them.
Yeah, but I like the chocolate ones.
So, we're gonna now, we unplugged the laser pointer, and now we plug the gun in, the black to the ground, and we got the white wire on our signal, and see what we can do.
Yay!
Alright, so what's the problem though? So it shot it, but it just kept shooting.
Yeah, we need to stop.
So it wasn't running off the code. I think we've got to use a relay to interrupt the signal so that, because the battery is its own power source for the gun. Like the LED, the laser pointer, we use the signal as the power, but here the batteries are the power. So it kind of screws it up if we're not careful.
Yeah, but doesn't it say, did it only do, wait, 10 seconds?
Exactly. So it wasn't running off the code. It was just shooting. And so that's the problem. So let's hook up a relay to kind of disconnect it and see. Alright, so this is a relay. And what it does is it takes power and a signal wire from the Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi to the gun.
Yeah.
So it could follow this
Yeah.
correctly.
So the red and the green wire here, we mixed it up, is connected to 5-volt power supply
Yeah.
off of the GPIO board. And the white is the signal wire connected to GPIO 23. And then the brown/black is our ground. So that's the ground wire. And so those come over here to the relay.
To the relay, and then it
And then it outputs the signal back to the gun so that we can shoot it. And you see we have got it plugged in and it's not shooting wildly like it did before.
Yes.
So now,
But it says End Strike Elite.
and strike elite. Alright, so Peter, now that we have it all set up, can you try to start the program and
Okay.
see if the program will control the gun? Cool. So you can see it's sending a signal to the relay, and it did it 3 times. And so, oops.
There's still
So when, here, run it again, Peter. You can see
Okay.
it'll turn the red light on the relay,
Gotta stop it and...
and when the red light comes on, then it shoots the gun. When it goes off, it stops, and it repeats 3 times, even when it's out of bullets. Cool. Success, guys. Nice job.
Yay! Alright guys, it was a success, but we still have a lot of work to do, but we have the good things like setting up the computer to shoot the gun and
No bullets.
and also so it could and we put together the Sentry so we took out the trigger and we did a lot of fun things today. And then peace out, guys. Bye.